No, I don't worry. I tell you, I'm a man who believes that I died 20 years ago. And I live like a man who is dead already. I have no fear whatsoever of anybody or anything.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon here, back with another video. And in today's video, guys, we're gonna be going over the Nike and Off-White Zoom Kiger Terra 5. The Nike and Off-White Zoom Tiger 5.
What?
The Nike and Off-White Zoom Terra Kiger 5. Now, this shoe came out, I want to say like June 26th, around there. Yeah, June 26th. It was like on Monday. Yeah, I got these off of Dead Stock in Canada, so they just got in today. It's been like 2 weeks, I think. But yeah, this shoe came out like a few weeks ago. It's not, I wouldn't say it's the most hyped Off-White.
He needs some milk.
It's probably one of the least because it looks crazy. It does look crazy. It's a fucking weird ass shoe, but nonetheless, we're gonna get right into it. So right out of the box, right here, we got the orange Off-White paper in this weird Swiss cheese looking ass box right here. So yeah, we got the orange Off-White paper. Not gonna lie, I like it. It looks kind of cool. But let's take out the sneakers. So right here, guys, are the shoes. Oh shit. So right here, guys, are the shoes. As you can see, they got the little Off-White little tag right here, bang. These are the white colorway. They also came out with a black and pink, and they also came out with like an all green colorway. These right here are probably my favorite looking ones, just because I just like the colorway and the green on the laces. These extra laces kind of thing they got going on, that it looks real nice. It like popping. But yeah, let's get right into the shoe. So I'm just gonna take out, I'm gonna show you guys the one without the hang tag because the hang tag kind of gets in the way. But yeah, here is the shoe. So we have on the outer right here, we got the Nike swoosh real big. They got the little Off-White little tag. Then they got this lacing system on the outside. So you got the laces in the middle right here like normal, but then they got like an outer lacing kind of thing, which I think looks pretty cool. Then you got the swoosh right here in the front on the toe. Then on the laces right here, it says shoelaces. My camera will pick it up. All right, guess not. It just wants to zoom in on my beautiful face. Yeah, so here on the tongue, you got the little like deconstructed look kind of tongue, and you also have the Nike branding on the tongue. So then on the inner, you got this like silver swoosh with the Off-White branding. This looks cool as hell to me. I don't know why, but it just looks real cool. I like the swoosh. I just like it. Then the whole upper is like this white, Off-White kind of look. I really like these, to be honest. I love the colorway. I would wear these, but they're only a 7.5, so yeah, they don't fit my big ass feet. So we got the most interesting part of the shoe is the bottom. The bottom, they have like a spike. They're like a track spike. I don't really know. They're like rubber spikes. Like you could rub your hand across this. It's not gonna hurt, but it does feel weird. And I've heard people that walk on it, like I heard it just doesn't feel weird. It doesn't feel right to walk on these, because you know you're walking with fucking cleats on. But yeah, look, if you could see, I don't know if my camera will pick it up. Yeah, right here you can see like the little flimsy little spikes. They're like kind of they're rubber. That's what they are. They're basically rubber. So yeah, these are pretty wild. They're definitely a neck breaker. I would rock these, honestly, if I could get a pair of my size. These are women's size, so I got a women's 7.5, which I believe is a 6 in men's, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, these are for small feet gang. If you're into small feet, if you're a woman, I don't know, but yeah, these come in women's sizes for some reason. I'm not sure if it's because the actual Terra Kiger comes in like women's, but yeah, this is a women's shoe. I know Off-White is also coming out with a different, with like a Vapor Street or something like that, that's similar to this with the spikes on the bottom. So with that, I'm seeing like a trend here with the spikes on the bottom crazy looking laces, like everything. So I'm gonna hold on to these because I think they will sell later on when like everybody starts riding this wave of, you know, the spikes and shit on your shoes. But yeah, from what I've heard of people like wearing these, they feel a little weird. They feel a little clunky. I mean, you can still wear them, but it just doesn't feel like a normal shoe. It feels like you're wearing cleats. But yeah, other than that, these are my take on the shoes. I think they're pretty nice, to be honest. Like I'd wear them. I'd wear them. The black and pink, they're alright, and the green, they're pretty fucking ugly. But these, the white ones, they're probably my favorite. So right now, these are going for about almost retail. Honestly, they're like maybe like $50 over retail or something like that. Like they're not by any means what you would expect from an off-white shoe. Like off-white, they're known for going for big bucks, you know, like $600 and up. But these are kind of like the Zoom Flies, kind of like that, like where you could actually attain them. Like I have a pair of Zoom Flies back there because, you know, I wanted some off-whites that weren't like $600. I didn't want to spend $600. But these, I fucked with these. Oh, by the way, this hang tag, it's like a felt. It's like a pool table. Like if they got it like from a pool table, I really like the hang tag. Like that shit's cool as fuck to me. I would definitely, if you want to pick these up, definitely get some recommendations for your sizes, because I'm not sure what exactly the sizing is on these. I don't know if they run small, I don't know if they run big. I just know they're women's shoes. But if you're unsure, just always go true to size. If you're a men's, like let's say 10, you want to go women's 11.5, because women's is like 1.5 sizes bigger. So yeah, if you have any doubts, just go with your true size. I'm sure it's not going to be like make or break. I'm sure you could just go with your true size. But other than that, guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel for more content. This shoe, I'm gonna give it like a 6 or 7 out of 10. It's not the best shoe, but I definitely wear it if they had it in my size. So yeah, it's gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy, and peace.